Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be?
Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make text behind a moving object video in Filmora 9. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and drag your video into timeline. Before we start, I want to tell you, this method is very fast and easy, but this one is only work when you have a shot with high contrast. Like this video, we have a shot of light background and a dark subject in the foreground. So go to titles and add default title into timeline. Adjust title according to video and double click on this. Go to advanced and type your text. Change the font style and font size. Change color and add text border like this. Now double click on text again and go video. Go compositing and change compositing normal to darken. That's it, our effect is ready. Add a background music for better experience. Now check the preview.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going.
Export your project.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be?
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.